Everyone in today's world is interested in wireless communications where you can control anything with just a remote. It's quite interesting if you can control a text display with only a smartphone APK from a distant place. Are you in search of something like this? If yes, then you are in the right place and the video tutorial is completely for you. Today I will discuss how to control a pixel LED matrix display with Wi-Fi Thoran controller and your smartphone. So hey guys, this is Priya from Shan Electronics, and if you are a new viewer, watch the video till the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon for all latest updates, and like and share more and more with your friends if you really like it. So let's start.
Zombie apocalypse.
For the connection of the pixel LEDs, we have to take this type of plastic sheets. Before coming to the alignment of the pixel LEDs to this plastic sheet, we have to take this type of plastic sheets which come in size 4 feet by 8 feet. Okay, that means the width is 4 feet and the length is 8 feet. You can see the whole length here. Whole length is 8 feet, and here I have cut 1 feet from the 4 feet. After cutting it, I have made the display much larger so that I can extend the text display as per my desire by increasing the number of pixel LED. But here I have used only 10 pixels along the width and 24 pixels along the length I have used. Now let's see how the pixel LEDs are aligned. That is how the connection is to be done in this sheet. So here is the whole connection. From here I have started. This is the first pixel. This is the first pixel. From here I have started. The connection have gone like this, and by turning from here it has again gone like this, like S, as I have shown in the previous video of the pixel LEDs, S connection, and like this it have gone throughout the whole matrix. If I simplify it, it has gone like this. If it has started from here, it has gone like this, and up to the number of LEDs you have. Okay, and it is the arrow. That means in this direction it will go. At first like this, by becoming an S, it will again become an S. Like this, S connection will be in the whole display. This will be the input to the controller. We have Wi-Fi Thoran controller. After the S connection, throughout the whole, if you see in the last, I have many more remaining LEDs here left, but I have not attached it to the display because otherwise it will become 10x25 and the display will not show properly. So leave the remaining pixel LEDs open. Okay, after the alignment, you can see there are positive and negative from different pixels. After the end of 50 pixels, there are positive and negative wires. We have to connect all the positives. See, here I have connected the positive. Here this is the positive, again here, again this positive to this one here. You can see now the positive, and finally to the last LED is positive. I have connected it so that throughout the whole the positive supply is connected. Similarly, we have to connect the ground also. From the ground here, white wire is connected to this white ground, to this ground white. Also there is in the lower part, here is a positive red wire and there is a negative white wire. All you have to make common. After the whole connection is done, you have to take a negative wire from the white ground and positive wire, which is the red wire here, from the positive supply. and for the supply we will use a SMPS. This is the 10 ampere SMPS, 5 volt 10 ampere. This is the AC connection, will go here. AC connection will go here, and the positive and negative, positive will go here and the negative will go here. Okay, I have explained the SMPS in my previous video. If you have problems in the connection, you can go and watch it. So let's connect the positive and negative wire. This is the positive, red, it should go here. And this is the negative, black, this should go here. These two are for the positive, and after this, these two are for the negative. Okay, after this connection, lock it. So let's plug it. So after the SMPS connection is done with the power supply and with the pixel display, we have to take a Wi-Fi controller, which is this. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi Thoran controller to display the text. Okay, here you can see the Wi-Fi IP address is 192.168.4.1 and the port is 1234, and the password for the Wi-Fi is WK000141. And here it is written 10 cross 150, that is the width that you have to take is up to 10 pixels, and the length which is maximum is 150, and the connection is S, which is also written here. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi controller circuit. You can also see here is the Wi-Fi attached to it, ESP12F, and you can see that there are 3 wires already attached to it. You just have to attach this male socket to the female connector there. Here we have the source. From here we have started, and like this the S connection have gone, so we have to attach it here. Okay, after attaching, as you give the connection to the pixels, the last inputted text will scroll throughout the display. Mine was welcome to Shine Electronics, so it will scroll. The controller will cost nearly about 900 to 1000 rupees, and with the controller the shopkeeper will provide you with an app, mobile phone app. Okay, you have to download the APK file and install it to your mobile phone to change the text display in the pixels. This is the Wi-Fi Thoran controller. This is the APK file. At first let me connect the Wi-Fi. Pixel Lab HD automatically connected. I have entered the password here before. Now it is connected to Wi-Fi. So now let's go to the APK. To connect to the Wi-Fi, put the IP address and the port. My IP address is 192.168.4.1 and my port is 1234. Okay, so now let's enter here. Hello friends, this is the text color. If I make it to blue, let's send the only message sent. From here you can also control the brightness and the message speed. So make the brightness to 99%. Message speed is medium. You can see here hello friends is clearly displaying. Now if we change the color of the text to pink, send. Now I want a greater speed. The message is displaying with a greater speed. Since I have increased here the speed, you can see. Now if I change the color to multiple colors and also change the text to like, share, subscribe, and decrease the message speed, now send. Okay, now if we choose here this color and enter here how, any capital letters, how are you, and message speed is medium, send. In this way you can control your display from a distant position. Also there are options to display multiple messages. You can see here, you can also give multiple messages here. Suppose Shayan, send. You can see the second message is also displaying. In this way you can take multiple colors here. Let me change it to red, this to green, this to blue, and this to multiple colors. Now let's send. The display has started. So guys, thanks a lot for watching my video till the end. If you like it, hit a thumbs up and subscribe for all latest updates on electronics projects and their tutorials. So till then, have a nice time.